I'll never get back together. Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
I want to go with you.
On a witch hunt? No, you're just a little girl. Don't do that. You're fine.
You're gonna leave me alone.
No. Off. Come on. Off. Off of there.
Please let me go.
Get off. No, get off of there. Fine. You want to come? Come. We'll all go. It'll be a big party.
Do you know what I'd wish for?
I'm sorry.
To have my family back.
I know.
Good night, Wizard.
I know it's not the family that you had in mind. All I can offer you is this.